Make it a freak show. Freak show.
I'm Damiana Garcia here with
Theron Smothers at Capital City for the premiere of
$1 Million Listing
Season 4.
Well, I can't wait to see what happens.
I can't either, Damiana. I'm so excited.
Let's go. Josh Flagg, sir.
Oh, Damiana!
What a pleasure, handsome man.
Oh my God, my night is now complete.
I'm so glad it's all come full circle now.
Oh my God, I love your bob.
Oh, well, thank you. I coiffed the bob especially for you tonight.
Thank you. There's my father. Oh, you want to meet my dad?
It's Mr. Flagg.
Dad.
How are you?
Hello, sir. I gotta congratulate you on raising this one right.
Yeah, well, he's good.
He's a good one.
This is my mother.
Hello, my dear. Hello, beauty.
Oh, thank you. Isn't she hot? She's 62.
What a hottie. You could have fooled me. This one.
No,
This one. These two.
I love you, Damiana.
Love you. Good to see ya. Mwah. I'm standing here with the handsome Madison Hildebrand. Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you? Gorgeous.
Oh, I'm enjoying basking in your glow here.
Oh, right.
Gorgeous man. I'd like to make a house hunting trip with you. Just to gaze upon you, I'll try to remember to look at the houses.
Well, if you got $1 million, we're in business.
Okay, good. I'll go check my bank account. The new season is upon us.
It is. I'm so excited.
So exciting. There's some new blood on the scene this year.
There is some new blood, yeah. He's kind of close by right now, so I'm going to bite my tongue.
He's right over there, so I guess you gotta watch your words. He might overhear something.
No, he's heard it all. I'll tell it to his face.
Okay, you're not afraid to tell him. Just,
Because I'm gay doesn't mean I can't throw it down.
there you go. I love it. Just a little left, right, 1-2 punch. Sometimes you gotta do that.
Well, half Nelson.
Oh, one of those. We can. I wouldn't mind replaying that later too. That would be fine with me.
Thanks.
I'm here with Josh Altman. Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Fabulous to see you. Now you're new to the show this season.
Correct. I'm the new guy.
You're the new guy on the block.
Yep.
And how's the experience been for you stepping into that crazy world of reality television?
I absolutely love it. I definitely mix it up with the other two guys, or should I say the other two kids.
Oh, okay. I think I just picked up what you were dropping down there. Now, what kind of drama can we expect this season?
Let's put it this way. Madison's assistant, smoking hot.
Okay, you had your eye on her.
I mean, she might have had her eye on me. I don't know.
Okay, which way did it go? That's the question. We'll have to watch and judge for ourselves.
Check it out.
I got the handsome brother of Josh Altman.
Yes, you do. I'm Matt Altman. Nice to meet you.
I wouldn't mind a little Altman sandwich later.
You want an Altman sandwich?
I would like one, please. Yes, sir. Oh, fantasy fulfillment here. Oh, this is one happy lady right here.
You're getting this is special.
This is a special opportunity, exclusive. You made one lady reporter very happy tonight, let me tell you. Beauty. Hello, my dear.
Hello, how are you?
Enjoying standing here next to you.
Aw, thank you.
Now, you're Madison's assistant.
Exactly.
Rumor has it that you might have had your eyes on a certain Mr. Josh Altman this year.
Possibly. I don't know what would give you that idea.
I don't know. A little birdie told me. Some little birdie told me.
Damn that birdie.
Telling stories, let me tell you.
No kidding.
Do we get to look forward to seeing some of that unfold this season?
You mean some shagging?
Sure, I'll take that.
Yeah, you'll definitely see some sparks going on between Josh and I, and maybe a little love triangle kind of situation.
Now, how is it working for Madison?
He is amazing. I feel like I'm just hanging out with a good friend all day long, and we have a blast together.
That's the perfect work environment, and he's nice to look at too. You can just kind of,
He comes to work with his shirt off, and I have clothes at work to put on him, so.
If you ever need an assistant dresser, I'm there.
Perfect. I'll have you on speed dial.
Oh my goodness, we're here with that beautiful Alessandra Torresani.
Hello, and this is Xander Jarigo.
Hunky Zan.
Hello. We're here for our best friend Josh Flagg.
We love Josh. We love Josh.
Actually, we're here for Edith.
Oh,
Edith,
okay.
the grandma. Edith.
Yeah, we love Edith.
Howard Walker.
She's a
Howard
pistol.
Walker.
What a dynamo.
Dynamo. Hello.
You're that whore I
You're
saw.
that whore that
You're
I
that
know
whore
since I
I
was 12 years old.
You're that whore I saw in the back alley of Rage.
Okay, exclusive.
All right, this is Alessandra. This is Josh. We've been best friends since we were 12. She's a slut. I'm normal.
Right. And it's opposite day today, but we'll go with that.
Okay, sure.
Oppa!
Let's Break some plates.
I think so. And then let's do it. Let's do it. May I? Hello, Mauricio, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Great pleasure to meet you. Now, you just survived the insanity, the cyclone that was Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. How was that experience for you?
It was fun. It was a good time. We enjoyed it. I mean, you get all these girls, they're all strong girls, and they all speak their mind, and it's some fun stuff comes out, and it's real, and it gets intense, but it's fun.
That's the important thing. Fireworks are going to go up, sparks are going to fly. As long as you're having fun, that's the important thing.
That's it.
Randy Barbado, hello, sir.
Hi, how you doing?
So excited to be here tonight.
It's very exciting. Are you doing real estate drag tonight?
This is my realtor look.
I'd buy a house.
Okay, good. It's working. It's effective.
You know who you're reminding me of? A little bit? Sylvia Miles in Wall Street.
Okay, I'm serving up a little Sylvia Miles realness. I'll take that.
A young version, of course.
Shave a few years off the top, and then you got Damiana.
Yes.
I think so. And it's very exciting that the new season's upon us.
Yes. And, the great thing is we are on after American Idol and before Jersey Shore. So it's the sweet spot.
That's a great prime real estate.
That's your lineup for Thursday nights. It's American Idol, $1 Million Listing, and Jersey Shore.
It's the trifecta. Well, I'm going to program my DVR accordingly.
Okay, good.
Someone whispered in my ear that you're a very funny man. You're a comedian, in fact.
I am. Believe it or not, I am.
Double threat. You got the looks and the wit.
Hey.
Double whammy, I'm thinking.
Double whammy, triple whammy.
Okay.
I won't tell you what the third is.
I was going to say, I better find out. I better check in later about that triple. What the number 3?
We'll exchange numbers.
What a show, what a party, what a night. I can't wait to see what the season brings now.
Thank you, Damiana. See you later.
Mwah. This is Damiana Garcia signing off.